My name's Dr. James Haberfield. I'm from the Unusual Pet Vets, and in this video today we're going to be learning how to medicate your chicken with a tablet. So you might be thinking, when would I ever need to do that? And I think, that's a valid question for a lot of people, but if you think about it, the advantages of using tablets for things like worming are really beneficial, because you know the exact amount of the exact amount of medication that's going in there. If we think about that compared to an in-water medication, an in-water wormer, there's a lot of advantages to a set dose in a tablet. So that's one of the things that we often use for medicating chickens with, and that's what we're going to be doing today. The other side that we commonly need to give chickens tablets is when they have a medical problem. So often if we need to give them pain relief or we need to administer antibiotics, tablets are a great way to be able to do that. So there's a few little tips and tricks that we'll try to run through today. We've got this very cute little hen to help us out today, and she's hopefully going to be very good, and we're going to be giving her a worming tablet. So that fits in nicely with what we were just talking about. Okay, so the first things when you're getting ready to tablet a chicken are to make sure that either you're comfortable restraining them yourself, or you've got someone to give you a hand, because if you're not comfortable, then you'll get nervous and the chicken will respond, and it'll be much more difficult to administer it, and then it ends up being a very stressful event. If you're comfortable with handling, or you've got someone to hold them, it'll be much easier to start with. The next thing you want to do is to set up on a kitchen bench or a table a little towel, and that way you can pop the chicken straight up onto there, and then they've got a nice sort of flat environment that they're comfortable sitting on. You're not trying to wrestle them and try to hold them, and you'll find that a lot easier. The third thing then is to have the tablet ready to go. So for this chicken here, we're going to be giving a tablet, so I'm just getting the dosage ready for what we want to give today. Okay. And then we've got that ready. Okay, so then the next step is, if you've got the chicken, if you're doing it solo and you're restraining the chicken solo, you basically want to just gently grasp them around their wings and allow them to get nice and comfortable there. And then if you just sometimes bring them back into your body just a little bit. Oh, what's that there? Okay. And then you've got a nice sort of relatively gentle but firm, I suppose, hold of that area there, and then you just gently want to grab their head. Now once you've got their head there, you can see that they're fairly well restrained. At that point you can you've got the tablet in one hand. Okay, all right, okay, I know. And then you're just going to open their beak. Now remember, they can't really bite you, so okay, they can't really bite you. So once you've got the mouth open like this, and obviously I'm doing this a lot slower than I normally would, but it just can show you. So you've got the mouth nice and open there, you've got the tablet in one hand, you're putting the tablet in, you're letting it go, and that's it, you're done. So it's a very simple arrangement. You just want to make sure they swallow, give them a little tickle under here, and then you're done. So that's sort of the very simple way to medicate a chicken.